Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I'm here with another topic, that is steps in effective problem solving behavior. As I have already discussed with you the definition and meaning of the problem solving, as once again I'll quote a definition of the problem solving, that is problem solving is a process of overcoming difficulties that appear to interfere with the attainment of a goal. It is procedure of making adjustment in spite of interference. I hope you have understood the definition and meaning of the problem solving and its nature. Now coming to the today's topic, that is steps in effective problem solving behavior, which is, as all of we know, that psychologists have tried to study carefully the behavior involved in the process of problem solving, be that the animals or be that human beings. जो psychologist उन्होंने काफ़ी सारी स्टडी की है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर्स पे, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग बिहेवियर पे या इस प्रोसेस पे. दे हैव सजेस्ट, उन्होंने बहुत सारे डिफरेंट स्टेप्स को सजेस्ट किया है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल जॉन ब्रांसफोर्ड एंड बैरिस्टन 1984 में उन्होंने 5 स्टेप्स बोले इसके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग के, एंड उन 5 स्टेप्स को उन्होंने, यू प्लीज़ नोट इट डाउन, उन 5 स्टेप्स को उन्होंने रेफ़र किया एज आइडियल, IDEAL इन बोल्ड लेटर्स, IDEAL आइडियल थिंकिंग एंड अरेंज देम इन द फॉलोइंग ऑर्डर्स. उन्होंने इनको अरेंज किया. आइडियल, in ideal, I stands for identifying the problem, D stands for defining and representing the problem, E stands for exploring possible strategies, A stands for acting on the strategies, L stands for looking back and evaluating the effects of one's activities. जॉन ब्रांसफोर्ड और बैरनस्टीन ने इन्होंने 5 स्टेप्स दिए. they gave 5 steps basically which is associated with the problem solving, और वो 5 जो है उनको हम कंबाइन करके बोलते हैं आइडियल, जिसमें आई जो है उसमें क्या वो होता है आइडेंटिफाइंग प्रॉब्लम, यानी कि प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करना, प्रॉब्लम है क्या. डी, फिर उसको डिफाइन करना प्रॉब्लम को. ई, एक्सप्लोरिंग पॉसिबल स्ट्रेटजीज़, यानी कि उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने की पॉसिबल स्ट्रेटजीज़ बनाना. ए, फिर उन स्ट्रेटजीज़ पर एक्ट करना, that means to carry out the strategies, to carry out our experience to solve the problem. L is looking back, then we have to overall look at the this problem and at a solution, and then evaluate whatever is effective, then have to do that thing to solve the problem. So this is ideal. These are the 5 steps basically which is associated with the problem solving. These 5 steps are given by the John Bransford and Berenstain, noted down in 1984. Maybe it may come into your multiple questions. That is why I am defining the date, year and the name of the psychologists. Now, problem solving is an individual phenomenon and involves the exercise of cognitive abilities. Obviously, जो problem solving है, जो problem solver है, basically problem solving एक we can say ये एक हम बोलेंगे it's just प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग इज़ जस्ट बिहेवियर. लेकिन जो ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर होता है इसको कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटीज़ का काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़ करना होता है, और जो मेंटली फिट होगा वही इंसान जो है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर बन सकता है. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग ऑफन देयर इज़ अ कंसिडरेबल मूवमेंट बैक एंड फोर्थ एज वन मूव्स फ्रॉम वन स्टेप टू अनदर इन द टास्क ऑफ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. इन जनरल वी कैन से, अगर हम जनरली देखा जाए तो इसके कुछ स्टेप्स है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग के, एंड दैट आई विल डिस्कस विद यू. नंबर 1 इज़ प्रॉब्लम अवेयरनेस. जो मैंने आपको बोला कि जॉन ब्रांसफोर्ड ने एंड बैरिस्टन ने इन्होंने क्या किया, इन्होंने 5 स्टेप्स दिए हैं, और वो 5 स्टेप्स हैं आइडियल, जिसमें पहले मैंने बोला आइडेंटिफाइंग द प्रॉब्लम, ऐसे ही एक है प्रॉब्लम अवेयरनेस. इट इज़ समवट रिलेवेंट टू ईच अदर, बट इन्होंने एक कंबाइन करके आइडियल दिया है. Now I am giving you in general following some of the steps which is involved in problem solving. Number 1 is problem awareness. We should be very much aware of the problem, whatever we are going to do, for what reason, what is the problem for which we are going to get the solution, for which we have the target, for which we are targeting the aim or the goal to solve that problem. That means we should have an awareness of the problem. Second is problem understanding. We should after awareness of the problem we should understand the problem. Without understanding the particular thing we cannot move on or jump on the other things. हमें जब तक प्रॉब्लम अवेयरनेस ना हो उसके बाद उस प्रॉब्लम को डीपली अंडरस्टैंड करना कि हम किस हद तक इसको ठीक कर सकते हैं, कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं, कैसे सोल्यूशन निकाल सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू गेट आवरसेल्व्स properly understood about the problem. Third is collection of the relevant information. Third step is that we should collect the information regarding the problem, regarding the situation, regarding the problem for which we are going to get the solution. Number 1 awareness होनी चाहिए. Number 2 understanding होनी चाहिए problem की. Number 3 इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए प्रॉपरली. हमें जो भी कलेक्ट करना है पॉसिबल बाय all possible means we should collect the relevant information regarding the problem as a problem solver. Fourth is formulation of hypothesis or hunch for a possible solution. Fourth is now after this understanding the nature, after collecting the relevant information, we should think out the various solutions to the problems. We should formulate the hypothesis, how come we can solve the problem, how come we can solve the get the solution of the problem. And fifth is selection of the correct solution. Now after formulating the hypothesis, after that we have to select the correct solution for the problem. We have to identify the problem, we have to understand the problem, we have to formulate the hypothesis, we have to get the proper solution of the problem, we have to collect the proper information and last but not least we have to verify the concluded solution or hypothesis. जो भी हमने solution निकाला, जो भी हमने hypothesis निकाली problem की, हमें उसको पूरा verify करना है. यानी कि क्या ये सोल्यूशन जो हमने निकाला इतनी मेहनत के बाद, क्या ये इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए ये सोल्यूशन ठीक है. सोल्यूशन अराइव्ड or whatever conclusion we draw out of these whatever we have collected the facts and all, we have to by applying it in the solution we have to verify it first of various similar problems, and only if it is if the derived solution helps in the solution of these problems should one consider the solution to be acceptable. अगर इन सॉल्यूशंस की वजह से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होती है देन एंड देन ओनली दिस सॉल्यूशन इज़ एक्सेप्टेबल फॉर द प्रॉब्लम. सच अ वेरीफाइड, ये नहीं होता अगर एक प्रॉब्लम हम सॉल्व करते हैं एक सॉल्यूशन को वेरीफाइड सॉल्यूशन को देकर एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, एंड अगर इन फ्यूचर वैसी प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं हमारे पास, हमारे सामने वैसी प्रॉब्लम्स आती है तो वी हैव द पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस, वी हैव द वेरीफाइड सॉल्यूशंस so that we can apply those solutions to the problems which can come after this in the present or in the future. Whatever problems we have got in the past, we have just solved it by the verified solutions. If by chance in future and present हमारे पास ऐसी problems आती हैं, so we have our past experiences and the verified solutions which we have applied on the problem in our past. So what we do, we just apply it on the problem which on the same problem which has come to us in present or which is going to come in our future, if those problems are relevant with our past problems. So that is why what we do, we get the verified solution to the problem so that the solution may be acceptable in future and in present also, if such problems will occur anytime. Such a verified solutions may then only then it becomes a useful product of one's problem solving behavior and be utilized in solving other future problems जो मैंने आपको बोला. So these were some of the steps which are involved in the problem solving and which are used by the problem solvers. I hope you understand it. It was all for today. Thank you so much.